What up, Iloilo? I missed you. So, few days after CDO, I'm going to fly out again. Sumakay ako ng Graben, the stuff you see on the road, no? Ang tindi ng traffic pero understandable because this was Friday traffic. And pagdating naman dito sa Skyway, pinili namin dahil nagmamadali. It was smooth sailing. And to be sure, we saw Chiki. Yes, our ride was safe. Pagdating dito sa may bandang Newport, ang tindi talaga ng traffic. Papunta to ng McKinley at BGC. Same dito sa airport, pero we got there. Yes, sir. So, pag diretso ka agad ng check-in, it took a while dahil kasi ang dami din magko-fly out. And pagkadating ng 3:45, we were cutting it close. Okay, so ngayon, compared to the last time na ako'y dumaan dito sa may food village, nakikita ko yung vision Yes, sir. So, kumanaran ako ng pick-me-up dito sa Katunings. Ito yung kanilang menu. May mga pasalubong din. Ang kinuha ko ay Boracay latte with 1 brown sugar. Yes, sir. With 1 drink. That'll wake you up. Sige, diretso agad sa gate. Yung gate ko ay nandun sa baba. At tayo ngayon ay palipad papuntang Iloilo at around 5 o'clock. Yes, so sakay tayo ng transfer. At pagdating natin dito sa aeroplano, dali-dali na kagad na puno yung aeroplano. Ang daming mga tao na nag-fly out to Iloilo din today. And as we wait for ascend, said goodbyes and we're gonna see Manila later. Grabe the view from above, man. Look at those clouds. It's so beautiful. Pati rin yung sunset the sunset over the clouds. It's too damn beautiful. Right, so an hour later, we arrived to Iloilo. It has been a while, na-miss ko din. Pagka baba, ako ay sumakay ng Grab and dumiretso agad ako sa accommodation. Pero the night is lively, no? Nightlife is lively dito sa Iloilo pag dumadaan ako from time to time, pag tumigil kami, madaming mga tao pa rin nasa labas. Dumaan ako dito sa Atria at habang naglalakad, madami pa rin tao sa mga bazaars and pumunta ako dito sa Netongs dahil may branch dito. First order of business natin is to get some food and why not start the trip with La Paz Bachoy. Look at that. Bachoy with a side of puto. Yes. Complementary flavors. So, pagkahango ng noodles, init. Hipa ng konti. Isang kagat. The noodles were al dente pero the broth, nalalsahan mo siya. Higop nga tayo. Pagkahigop, it's hot, it's savory, filled with porky goodness. Yes, sir. Panalo yun. And best way to enjoy it, tayo ay kukuha ng puto and kagat. Yes, sir. That hint of sweetness. Pero ito talaga pag dinip mo siya, sweet, savory combo working together in unison. Sobrang solid nun sa pandip. Panalo yun. I couldn't imagine a best way to start yung trip ko dito sa Iloilo then. Of course, trying yung La Paz Bachoy. And best believe we're going to try a little bit more local cuisines in the city of gastronomy. Yes, sir. So that's it for me tonight. Follow for more.